Their claws are so little, but they're so sharp. Look at my marks there. It's funny. They're like little paper cuts that just tear you up. Don't you? You just tear us up. Don't you? You're starting to play a lot. And what are you doing over here, little one? Hey, little guy, go see your sister. Go look at your sister. What happens if I take you and point you around and tell you to go look at your sister? You're not too interested. Oh, do a jump. Oh, you're running too. This is how big you are compared to a phone. You're about the size of a telephone. Make a call. Oh. Get ready to pounce on your brother. And the other two were back here sleeping. They're not playing so much.